Home Show.
Paul from League City has a little question about Hardie, and he needs some help.
Well, he heard you talking about one, Tom, and he's not sure he heard you right. Paul writes, he wants to know, what is that James Hardie siding you mentioned that was specifically designed for Houston? At least that's what he thinks he heard, Tom. He says the siding he's describing does not overlap each piece like the regular lap siding. He says, but it clicks together horizontally. He says, I can't find it, and it's driving me crazy.
Oh, he means V-groove with the artisan line.
Okay.
There's a lot of lines of Hardie, okay? Now, it's not made specifically for Houston, although it works great for wind and all this other stuff. But they do make a formulation that's for the south as opposed to frozen climates in the north. So they get close with that. And they even make a primer that's really good for the Gulf Coast when they prime a lot of their products. It's a yellow in color. But as far as the V-groove goes, it's a specialty line. It's an artisan line. And usually you're going to get it through contractors who are elite preferred, people who have experience with it. It's not something you probably would find on a Home Depot shelf or just on a shelf in a lumber yard. It's going to have to be specifically ordered for your project. But it's a V-groove. It's the artisan line. We have some great installers, elite preferred installers at HomeShowHardiePros.com if you want to talk to them and maybe get the bid on your project. That's always a good thing. Mm-hmm. But you're going to have to go and search it. But you know where they can search it, Charlie, and you can help me with this. Hardie has that great website everybody's invited to go to, right? Mm-hmm. Whether you're a contractor or a homeowner. And so the website with Hardie, we can get that through HomeShowRadio.com, can't we?
Yeah. You can click on Home Show Hardie Pros, and you'll see that we've got the links there, and you can search for the artisan product. It'll bring it right up for you right there. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Christopher, I want you to take that video for this and put it down below this video. So Christopher's going to go ahead and put that video cool. down below. So if you want to see about the V-groove, there's a link right under this video to watch it.
Awesome. And that's all it. Right. Don't be afraid to go to their website because they're real proud of it, and they want homeowners to know as much as they can about their product.
They're very proud. They talk about it when they go home for the holidays. Bores the hell out of the family. Yes. But anyway, if you have any question, you got a question for Tom, go visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in, and we'll answer it just like this. And by the way, when you go there, you're going to notice something new on our Ask Tom form. You can not only can you fill it out and send us a question and a picture, but now you can send in a video. Use your mobile phone and you can go ahead and film something and send it in for us. We'd love to get that from you too. It's easy to do and learn more about it at HomeShowRadio.com.